I've got my very first beauty box unboxing for June, and it is a Glossybox, and it comes in this gorgeous limited edition beauty bag. We normally receive a pink box, but now and again they like to surprise us with something a bit different. So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. If you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The value of this month's box is £111. You can subscribe to a monthly rolling subscription for £13.50 a month. I do have a refer a friend code, which you can get your first box for £8.50. I'll pop it up on the screen, and I'll also put it down below in the description. And if I can find any other discount codes as well, then you'll find it all listed down there. The minimum value of each box is £50, but as I said, yeah, there's £111 worth of products this month. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. You'll find all links to Glossybox and the subscription and any limited editions they got currently running down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to show me then what's inside. Right, there is some information on the website I want to tell you about. I'll just get all the products out first. I've just had a look on the email that Glossybox has sent to me, and it's related to this product, which we'll talk about first. So inside the box or the bag, you'll receive a QR code. I've tried scanning it and it's just bringing me up the May box. So from the 1st of June onwards, scan this QR code when you subscribe, then you'll get all the information about the products in the box, and they might go on to tell you a little bit more about what's coming up and things like that. So the theme for this month's box is Glow All Summer. So starting off the product that we'll all receive, actually we'll all receive every single product in this box, but 50% will receive this shade, which is Virtual Glow, and 50% of subscribers will receive UV Glow. This is MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base. It's a Glow Dew Illuminating Primer with apricot oil, vitamin E and papaya extract. I haven't tried this before. Well, let's give it a go. I am a bit nervous about glowy stuff, you all know that. I mentioned it in my latest video. I posted up a day or two ago. It's a Get Ready With Me. And it's just a little video of like applying products that I'm absolutely loving at the moment. And yeah, I've got quite a bit of like texture on my face, and I don't want anything, and pores and things and fine lines, and I don't want anything glowy to accentuate it. Do you know what? You're having a look at this first before me, properly anyway, but from what I can see in the viewfinder, it looks really lovely. It feels really nice on the skin, really nice and silky. But how glowy is it? It is quite glowy. It's not so glowy that your face will look metal, but it is glowy, but in a nice way. It's more like a glass skin glowy, but I do think, for me personally, it's not something I would apply all over my face, but I think that'd be quite nice actually, just dabbing it on the high points. But I just know anything like this, I put it in the middle, yeah, it just doesn't look great. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, I've mentioned this before probably. I wanted to love it, but no, it doesn't look great. I do love a glowy look, but not in the middle. I love the glow to be everywhere else around my face. I might try it and see what it's like, but if not, I'll be using it on the outer corners. Right then, what else have we got? We got something for your hair this time. This is Christoph Robin, and this is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt, and there's 40 mils there. Yeah, this smells really, really gorgeous. It's a soothing detoxing shampoo. You can apply it once a week to your scalp, emulsify, and then you rinse out. So it's good for stimulating your scalp for healthy hair growth. So there's that. What else we got? We got a Grum. This is an After Sun face oil bar. I think I had this last year in a beauty box and it melted. Yes, I'm sure it's the same one. 100% naturally derived. It contains vitamin E and camellia oil. Handmade in England. It's to heal and glow. Let's see if I got extra information on the back there. So it's an After Sun face oil bar. Smells lemony, slightly lemony. It smells nice. You can see there, it's a little bar. And yeah, it feels like it would melt really easily in my hand, like a massage bar. Soothe and repair sun blush skin with this plant-friendly and travel-friendly after sun bar, rich in fatty acids, vitamins and an all-natural blend of ultra-hydrating oils to make the comeback of the century after catching a few too many rays. I'm going to Cyprus in a couple of weeks' time. So even though I cannot stand sunbathing, you will never catch me lying down on a sunbed for hours at an end. Nope, I can't do it. I literally can't do it. I find it so boring. Obviously, I do like going out in the sun. I do love wearing hardly any clothing whatsoever. I'm factor 50 head to toe. I never really burn my skin. Thankfully, it's because I've had cancer why I'm really worried about it. But I think we will take that on holiday because of my husband isn't as vigilant about the sun as what I am, and he might really like that. And it's nice anyway. Imagine rubbing it into your skin at night. I think it'd be really nice because the sun does tighten up your skin. Having an after sun type moisturiser on your skin, I think it'd be lovely. Anyway, on to, I think, the most expensive product in the box. I had a look online and I can't find the prices of these products, but I'm guessing this is the pricey one, which makes it go over the £100 mark. This is Symbiosis London Firming and Soothing Eye Cream. Ooh, with SPF 30. Okay, I like that. It's bisabolol and tocopherol. Ooh, I can't say it. It's antioxidant and a protecting range, and there's 15 mils there. Oh, I don't know much about this brand, to be honest. We do see it now and again in beauty boxes. I don't think I've tried this one though. Apply in the morning after cleansing. Oh, obviously how you'd apply normal eye cream, but I like the fact it's got SPF 30 in it as well. Presumably it won't make your eyes run like some creams do. But yeah, I'll see what that is like. And then lastly, we've got a little brush. It's a big brush. This is by So Eco. It's a back comb brush. I've already got one of these. I received it in a different beauty box not so long ago, so I'll pass this one on. So this type of brush, as you can tell, it's a little bit different to usual, isn't it? It's quite firm bristles. It's good for teasing hair, maybe back combing at the root, or if you're having like an updo or something and you want a bit of volume, back combing it and then smoothing over. This is a really good brush for that. This versatile brush is a styling essential that effortlessly adds volume and texture to your hair. Section and back comb hair for a thicker and fuller appearance, suitable for all hair types. I used to miss doing hair. I used to be a hairdresser years and years ago. My gosh, I have got so many different careers under my belt. But anyway, hairdresser was one of them and one of my earliest ones that I got into. But I used to love, more than anything, I used to love hair cutting and then doing hair styling. So it would be like doing weddings, proms, anything like that. I loved it. Trying to do as wacky styles as possible as well, just to be a little bit different. So yes, we got a brush anyway, which I'll be passing on because I've already got one. And there you go. Those are all the products in this month's Glossy Box. We've got a back comb brush by Eco London. We've got Symbiosis eye cream with SPF 30. We've got Makeup Academy Pro Base Glow Dew Illuminating Primer. You'll either have it in this shade, which is Virtual Glow, or UV. Then we've got a treatment shampoo from Christoph Robin. And then lastly, we've got an After Sun facial bar from Grum. So there you go. As always, I'd love to know what you think. Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving this? Or are you watching this thinking, yeah, June the 1st onwards, I am definitely going to subscribe or not subscribe? I'd love to know, so please let me know. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.